Hi! Today on Araw-Araw Filipino, we will learn to ask and answer questions starting with the word where or saan. We will ask questions about places. Previously, we have learned that where is saan in Filipino. We have also learned the following simple questions using where. Where? Saan po? Where is this? Saan po ito? Where is that? Saan po iyan? Where is that? Saan po iyon? Again, the difference between iyan and iyon is that iyan is something that is nearby. Iyon is something that is further away. To learn more about using the word saan or where, let us first learn some new words to help us. These are words about places or mga lugar. School, eskwelahan. Playground, palaruan. Station, istasyon. Market, palengke. Store, tindahan. Street or road is kalye. Again, school, eskwelahan. Playground, palaruan. Station, istasyon. Market, palengke. Store, tindahan. Street or road, kalye. Now let us look at some examples using words saan or where to ask about places or mga lugar. Where is the bus station? Saan po ang istasyon ng bus? Ang bus station, istasyon ng bus. Here is another example. Where is the market? Saan po ang palengke? Market, palengke. Here is a third example. Where is 5 Street? Saan po ang kalye 5? Street is kalye. Let us learn some more new words to help us to make sentences. You have previously seen that the is ang. Now, there is diyan or doon. Corner is kanto. The is ang. There is diyan or doon. Diyan being about a place that is nearby. Doon is a place that is further away. And corner is kanto. And let us take a closer look at the word sa. For a word with only 2 letters, sa is another superword in Filipino. It can mean any of the following. To the is sa. At is sa. At the sa. In the sa. So you see, we use sa to indicate where something is located. Now let us look at some illustrations of conversations asking about places. Here are 2 women. The first one is asking for direction, so she asked, "Where is the school?" The second woman answered, "The school is there." Now let us look at the Filipino version, which will use the words we have just learned. The first woman asked, "Saan ang eskwelahan?" The second woman answered, "Doon ang eskwelahan," pointing far away. Here is a slightly different version of that conversation. "Where is the school?" "There, at the corner." The Filipino version is, "Saan ang eskwelahan?" "Doon sa kanto." Here are some more questions about places or mga lugar, with some more new words for us to learn. Where will you go? In Filipino, saan ka po pupunta? Will go is pupunta. You is ka. Next sentence. Where will you eat? Saan ka po kakain? Will eat is kakain. And the third sentence, where will we live? Saan po tayo titira? Will live is titira. Here is an illustration to show those words being used. Here are two women. One of them is leaving and the other one asked, "Where will you go?" The other woman answered, "To the store." So she is going to the store. Here is the Filipino version. Saan ka pupunta? Sa tindahan. Here is that conversation with a slight difference. Where will you go? I'm going to the store. Here is the Filipino version. Saan ka pupunta? Pupunta ako sa tindahan. Here is that conversation again with some difference. Where will you go? I'm going to the store at 5 Street. In Filipino, saan ka pupunta? Pupunta ako sa tindahan sa Kalye 5. Let us look at those questions and answers again. Where will you go? Saan ka pupunta? I'm going to the store. Pupunta ako sa tindahan. I'm going to the store at 5 Street. Pupunta ako sa tindahan sa Kalye 5. Going to is pupunta. I am is ako. Did you notice that in Filipino, we start the answer with the action word, which in this case is pupunta. That is because we are learning about the common way we speak Filipino every day instead of the formal way. If we are learning the formal way, we will actually say it in a way that is similar in form to the English version. But because we are learning how to speak everyday Filipino, these are the versions that we will use and we will stick to. We have learned the different ways we use the word saan or where in Filipino. For your homework, practice asking questions about places starting with saan. And also, find out the Filipino words for other places such as office, house, bank, hospital. I hope you can join us again next time on Araw-Araw Filipino. Thank you. Salamat po. Now, a few words from my son, Max.
Thought this video was cool? Watch the next one and like and subscribe to the channel too if you haven't yet.
Bye-bye!
Bye!